Now we're putting grease inside of the cavity. Weatherproof grease to keep the rockers going good. Okay, we're getting ready to put the bell on.
Stop for a second.
Okay, we now have the bell setting down. We still got to put the clapper in.
There you go.
Okay, that looks like it completes the job. Through tying the knot on the arm with the rope, it's coming down. It's down to the ground, and we'll have to cut it off. So this does complete the hanging of the bell.